Hey guys, welcome back to the Sal Pitera channel. I'm Sal.
And I'm Debbie.
And today we have some really cool announcements and we're going to do mail time. We'll be back right after this. Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for staying through the intro. As always, before we begin, make sure you like this video, hit that subscribe button, that way YouTube will let you know whenever we upload a new video. And you can also hit the join button, which is a new feature if you want to support our channel monetarily. For $4.99 a month, you'll get special videos, discounts on Carnival cruises, and a lot more. Totally up to you, but subscribing is always free, so if you're not subscribed to our channel, hit that subscribe button. So today we're going to start by talking about a really cool group cruise that we're putting on. Now, if you've never sailed with us as a group, I promise it is a lot different than any other cruise that you'll ever be on.
Most definitely.
Because we actually take control of the ship almost, and we have lots of private parties, many with free alcohol, private events, socials, tours of the ship, all kinds of things you normally wouldn't get, and it's all included in the price of the ticket on our group cruise. And we coordinate it all for you. Everything from the pre-cruise hotel, which we normally have a party at, getting on board the ship, normally there's some perks there, as well as the entertainment on board. And let me just take a quick break and show you the details of the cruise right now. Hey guys, join us on March 5th, 2022 as we sail on the Carnival Glory. This group cruise will celebrate Carnival's 50th anniversary celebration. 8-day cruise will be from New Orleans to Cozumel, Grand Cayman, and even Montego Bay, Jamaica. Private events with free drinks, meet and greets, free ship tours, gifts, and a whole lot more on this group event. And the coolest part, this is Carnival's 50th anniversary, and along the way, lots of ships are going to meet up at sea for a grand celebration. Prices as low as $941 for an inside cabin, with a great payment program that starts with only $100 down. Now you need to reserve your cabin quick because space is limited. Call me now at 330-968-4300. That looks amazing, and
It does. I can't wait.
the coolest part is that this is going to be Carnival's 50th anniversary cruise.
Right.
So what they're planning is one of the days at sea, a bunch of the Carnival cruises are going to converge together and sail together for about 24 hours so that Carnival can make a television commercial. And it's supposed to be a really, really cool experience. You never see these Carnival ships sailing together with passengers on them literally anywhere on the planet. So this should be an awful lot of fun. And there's going to be some throwback events that Carnival's planning as well. Some things that you haven't seen on cruises for many years are coming back just for this cruise. She's speechless. So I hope you can be on board. Give me a call if you'd like to be a part of this cruise. We have a great payment program, so it's not a lot down. It's only $100 per person down, and you can literally make payments over the next 2 years until the cruise comes up. You really don't want to miss this cruise. This will be probably one of the highlight cruises of my cruising career, and I really hope that you can come on board with us.
That's right.
So now we're going to talk about mail time. This is kind of a new feature here on our channel. Lots of other channels have it. And it's where you can send us things in the mail, anything from a postcard, a letter if you'd like to read a letter, to even a package that might include things that tell us a little bit about where you live. And if you send us something, we'll try to talk about it right here on the channel and acknowledge you and thank you for what you're sending. I'm going to put our address right here on the screen, as well as in the description down below. We'll put the address down there as well. So we received a box.
We did.
You want to tell us who this box is from?
This box is coming from a lady by the name of Sandy Freese.
Hi, Sandy.
Hi, Sandy. She's coming from Indiana, and I actually kind of have gotten to know her through the YouTube channel. In fact, she's created a group on Facebook. It's called Tribe Bonobo, and what it is a group of women that are kind of coming together, and we have one topic every Thursday that somebody discusses. You know, it could be depression or, you know, anti-aging, weight loss, just anything to, you know, bring up conversations, you know, things that you might want to talk about that you don't want, you know, somebody else to talk about with you. You know, people that maybe you don't know right in front of you that you can get to know. You know, talk to other people who are experiencing the same things that you are. And it's a fairly new group. It's only been open, maybe 2 weeks now, I think. And we have over 150 members. There might have been more than that. I haven't checked it in a while. Sorry.
I will say this. Debbie, I mean, the internet's been around for like 20 years now, Facebook probably 10, 15 years, and
I'm a little slow.
Deb's normally not a big Facebook user, and she's hesitant to join groups, but since you've joined this group, I think I've seen you actually enjoy Facebook and enjoy the people you're meeting and talking to, which is kind of nice.
You know, it is nice because it's giving me a chance to meet other people, other women out there, and it's nice to see that some things that I deal with, they're dealing with too, you know? Whether it be something as simple as, why am I so tired right now, you know? And it's nice to see other people out there and be able to talk to other people, you know. And
but it's not all negative issues too. It's also a lot of fun chat, women's chat, right?
It's a lot of it. It's positive. What it really is it's about coming together. You know, being there for one another. If you have a great day, share it with us. If you have a business, introduce it to us. Show us what you're selling. You know, show us some prices. You know, promote your company. You know, it's.
Let's put that box up here.
Okay.
So while she's doing it, I got to admit, I was a little confused as the name of this group because it's called the Bonobo Tribe. So I Googled it.
Well, Tribe Bonobo.
And Tribe Bonobo. It turns out that the bonobo is an animal species, and in this particular species, the women are really the ones that come together in the species and help each other rather than
right.
a lot of things that are male driven. And
right.
I think that's how they got the name of it because that's what I could figure out. So let's open this. Do we have anything to open this with?
Our nails? Well, we don't have any nails.
First of all, Sandy, thank you very much for sending this. It's actually addressed to you. By the way, we're going to put a link to the Facebook group she's talking about down in the description of the video. Please, if you're a lady, join it. If you are anything like my wife, you'll definitely have a positive outcome because she's really enjoyed being part of this group. But before we start opening the box, also, if you're not a member of my personal Facebook group, I'm going to put a link down in the description down below too. Feel free to join that group because we also announce a lot of fun things. We paste the videos there, but also any cruise deals or cruise discussions or travel discussions in general, we'll put on my group as well. So both of those links will be in the description down below. So let's open this thing. Let's move over here a little bit so we can see your beautiful face.
I love the little paper that's in here. The tissue paper that is in here, I don't know if you can see, but it's little puppies.
Upside down.
No, they go all different directions. I think they go all different directions.
Puppies.
Oh, and there's a kitty.
And there's a kitty.
See, even Moscato laughed in the background.
Moscato is our bird. If you watch our videos, you know we have a parrot, and he's downstairs in his on his cage today. He didn't want to come up for the video.
Yes. Okay, so let's see. I don't want everything to fall out, so I'm going to be real careful when we take things out. Ooh, wow, look at that.
Chocolate truffles.
Luxurious European chocolate. Ooh, on the back it tells you what kind are in it. Wow.
Which ones are we going to have? Am I going to have?
Well, you can have the hazelnut since I don't like hazelnut. But it has strawberry rhubarb, white vanilla, tuxedo, sea salt caramel, caramel choco, and toffee, and a couple others too. It sounds delicious.
Very cool.
We will definitely have to dig into that one later.
What else do we have?
I'm afraid if I
And you don't have to send a big box like this. Thank you, Sam. This is overwhelming. Even a postcard or a letter. Just let us know from you. Let us know ideas you have. We're always looking to hear from our audience.
We're losing things out of the
And
box.
a lot of you I'm going to meet on that cruise, which is going to be really cool.
That's really cool because we are always taking new adventures.
Adventure awaits. This is just put on a tabletop.
And since this one fell out, we're going to actually pull this one out now. Oh, is that pretty?
What is it? Is that a bracelet?
That is a keychain.
Ah.
And if I'm not mistaken, I believe one of the ladies in our group might have actually made that. There is some ladies that do some things that are like this.
That's really pretty.
So I almost wonder if maybe one of the ladies did make that.
That's really pretty.
Beautiful. Very pretty. Actually, I'll give you the little box too.
Thank you. With a little hat. Or bald head.
And it even has the bow. Live Happy. It's a little book. Very nice. Oh, it's a journal.
It's a journal for your
so
reading.
we can start keeping track of all the different cruises that we go on and trips and stuff.
I'm not sure this would be big enough. These would be backdated anyway. I don't know if it would be big enough.
That's true. You never know. Oh,
Wow,
look
there's a lot
at
of stuff in
that.
here.
We
Another
have
journal.
a pen with a flamingo and another journal with flamingo. Well, on the outside it's flamingos and pineapples. So see, this one is even bigger. We can continue to write our journal.
Now, if I'm not mistaken, in your group, I think you were telling me that there's a thing where different ladies will send packages to other people in the group anonymously.
Yes, it's called gifting, and if you become a member, if you'd like to put your address in the group, somebody will send you a gift out of nowhere, not letting you know it in advance, and it's just kind of a thing to say, you know, we're thinking about you, we're here for you, and we just kind of,
Very cool.
if you choose not to put your address in the group, you can send it to Sandy, who is, I guess, the president of it is what you'd call her.
The group
And
leader?
yeah, that works. And she keeps it discreet, and she goes from there.
Very cool.
I
But you don't have to, it can be
designate.
anonymous, the group. You don't have to
Right,
participate
it
in that.
can
if you don't want to.
absolutely be anonymous. What do we have here?
Plans.
I think that's a seashell. Ooh, very cute.
Is it a light? No, it's just a desk
An
decoration.
ornament. Very cute.
It is cute. What else?
We're gonna pull this one out. I'm afraid it's gonna knock everything over.
Ooh, a pillow.
It's a pillow, and it says all you need is a passport. And that is very fitting for us because we are always traveling.
You know, a lot of this stuff will go really good in the studio, except I don't have any room left in my studio, so I think these are going to go in your office.
I don't know if I can get that to stand up or not. I'm not that
I'll
talented.
just hold it.
And then we have a little card here, and it says, "You have been gifted. Enjoy." And that's what you comes from somebody who's going to send you a gift from the
So
tribe.
this actually came to you from the tribe.
This did. This actually came to me from somebody in the tribe.
In fairness, I think Sandy found you through the YouTube group, so I think maybe it goes both ways.
Possibly.
So, well, thank you very much, Sandy,
Yes,
and I
thank
hope
you.
all the ladies watching this use that link below and join that group in the subscription. There's no cost to join the group,
No, not
the
at all.
Facebook group. Just visit the page, click the join button, and I promise you, I've seen a lot of positive through her because she's normally not a big Facebook user.
Yeah, you know, it's really nice because, you know, it's not negative in any way. In fact, nobody has had any negativity, in my opinion. They just, you know, if they're stressed out or something, they might say what's on their opinion, but everybody is really there to support you. They do whatever they can to try and cheer you up. Everybody will be the first to jump up and say, you know, hey, if you want to talk, I am me. I can give you my phone number or anything. You know.
You make it sound like you have a lot of problems that you've been in this group. Is it all about me? I hope
No,
not.
not at all. It's just in general. It's not even problems. It's just things that women think about.
Very cool. Well, thanks for watching this video, everybody. Before we go, one more time, our group cruise that is going to be in 2022. Give me a call at 330-968-4300. If you don't get me personally, leave a voicemail. I promise somebody will get back to you and get you signed up for the cruise. It will be the most amazing cruise experience that you've ever been on. I can promise you that.
And I can't wait.
So once again, I'm Sal,
And I'm Debbie.
and we'll see you up on the Lido deck.